Suicide. It's not something I've ever contemplated. If you're contemplating suicide, then I strongly recommend you seek professional assistance. In this story, James Neville Taylor states he was suicidal before turning his life around and building a very successful affiliate marketing business called RPM, the Rapid Profit Machine. And what a business it is! Where else can you get access to such a diverse business building environment with training that covers access and setup instructions for various autoresponders, setting up automated campaigns, how to get free traffic, how to build a presence on social media, e.g. TikTok. The important thing is to realize that this is not just another done for you, learn no skill systems with limited scalability. You can get started for free and have limited access to numerous affordable ways to grow your business as you achieve success at each level. There is a Facebook support group, extensive video training, niche market expertise. So why wouldn't you seize the day? Carpe diem, seize the day. Move up to my bumper, baby, no driving in between, and get your online business, affiliate marketing business, revving to the red line in no time flat.